Hello and welcome. Today I would like to introduce you to our new Shopify application Quizly Smart Quiz. Now let's go and install this application in our Shopify store. After installing the application, it will redirect to our Smart Quiz dashboard page. In this page where you can check all the details regarding total sales, quiz complication, conversation rate, etc. in graph view also. Now let's activate it in our front end design. As you can see here, from here you can activate it, and we will save here. After saving the changes, it will look something like this. And now next let's go to our quiz. And here, as you can see here, our quiz which I have already set, you can check it how it look in the front end design. Now let's go and check how we can create this quiz. When we go to create quiz, from here you can create the quiz. Also you can import quiz from another store also. I have also set some default template which user can use it to create the quiz. Now let's go in create quiz. In create quiz, when we go to introduction page, here we can set the introduction, upload images, background, etc. However, we want to show in the front end design. In next, we'll go to quiz settings where you can set the theme design and around border, progress bar, progress tag, etc. which you want to set. Now we will go in builder where we can create the quiz where you can set the questions and answers, descriptions. You can set question types like text area name. You can change the layout like adding margin, padding, etc. You can set the design however you want to add. Now let's set a question out here. Right? Need. And you can also set answers from here. As you can see how it will be displayed. Now let's go to recommendation and result section. In this page, you can set the thank you page all as well as result page also. In thank you, it will be just like simple thank you page when the quiz is completed. And in result page, you can set the specific product you want to add after completing the quiz. Next, we'll go to normal page where you can add the product in your options. As you can see here, I have already added one question, and from here you can set the product in your questions options. As you can see, I have added two product. In scores, you can set the in the score page, you can set the score how much you want to set, like 24, 23 to 50, like this you can set the score. You can also in personality tab you can set the tab also like normal, oily, etc. How which tab you want to set. You can also uh, do settings like personality type. You can also add here. You can add product also, etc. Next, we'll go to logic tab where you can set the condition rules for your quiz. You can set any types of rules you want to set. Next, in email tab, in this section, when the quiz is completed, the merchant and the user will receive a mail which the quiz they have completed. In integration, you can set third party application like Mailchimp, etc. Trustpilot, etc. You can also add custom css in your quiz if you want to make the quiz unique, etc. like that. We also provide help support also 24 into 7 where if you need any help regarding quiz creation or any help related to uh, applications. Next, we'll go to lead tab where when any user completed the quiz, they, they the users which have completed the quiz, their list will be shown here where you can check how many users have visited the quiz. Next, in analytic tab, where you can check all the details like how much revenue is generated by a quiz, how much quiz is 100% completed and they have ordered it. How many products are added in cart through quiz? How many orders are completed? How many visitors have visited in your quiz? You can also check your average order value, and you can check all the details in graph view also. We have also set pricing for the applications in monthly and yearly place. In monthly, you can see it is $12 per month, 25 for enterprise. Yearly also, we also provide 20% discount also for starters and enterprise also. Next, we also provide support. As you know, I have previously mentioned we provide 24 into 7 support. By if you need any help or if you face any issues, you can contact us directly. This is our Shopify application, Quizly Smart Quiz. If you need any help or need any, please contact us. Thank you.